Hi, welcome to Arvind. Let me tell you what we not do or what we don't do is we don't make fabrics. That's what my parent does. And this is the statistics. I just like to get it out of the way once and for all because Arvind cues so much of textiles. I give this statistic that Arvind brand consumes about 0.5% of Arvind Mills fabric. So we are not into forward integration. At best, we are a pest or irritant. And 60% of my fabric comes from other than Arvind Mills. So we're not Arvind that most people know of. So people ask me really what business are you in, and when I'm not in a very flippant mode, I say I am in the FMCG business, which is the closest I can come about describing our business. And when I'm in a slightly flippant but actually more introspective so to say frame of mind, I say we are in the ideation business. What's the mission statement, vision statement of the company? Honestly, we don't have a vision statement, we don't have a mission statement. We don't believe in finding copywriters who will articulate in jazzy words which will be good for the coffee table outside at the reception. But what all of us, starting from me downwards to my secretary, what all of us genuinely believe in is if we can create an environment, a place where people jump out of bed to come to work, I think we are doing okay.
I came to Arvind 3 years back. This is my first job. And what I have to say for Arvind is it's a great place to work in. Very nice colleagues, fun place to work in. And what it has taught me in 3 years, being my first job, is phenomenal. This place has given me a lot of avenues to experiment in. The kind of people you meet, the kind of places you go, and the kind of fields you have to experiment in. It's totally new, which was never taught.
It's been a month since I'm in Arvind Brands, and the experience so far has been very holistic. When I passed out, I had the impression that a corporate will have a very restricted environment, and this place totally negates it. I have been on my toes practically every day, and my creative juices are working like full time. Still now, it's a month, and what I've done is I've gone through stints other than my own field of work, that is design. I've gone through merchandise, I've gone through sales, I've worked as a salesperson. So I get a view of theirs, I get a holistic view of how people work together, and it's how the interaction happens, so that it helps in me in my design also. So basically I'll tell that it's a very good mix of fun and work.
I'm currently designing for Lee, and considering that it's one of the biggest brands in jeanswear, it's a great high. The responsibility is great, the interactions are good, and it's quite a learning experience to be seeing what the action is at such a top level. So till now it is a brilliant experience.
Though you're working for one brand, you get a lot of exposure in terms of what's happening in the market in different brands and all. So that way it's been very good, and plus the designer gets a lot of exposure in terms of what's happening in the international market, because we have a design consultant working with designer, very closely with designer. Also you have quite a lot of free hand as being a designer in Arvind, that you get to do a lot of stuff. And plus also we have our this factory where we can get all the experimentation and work done for denims and sampling and all. So that makes life much more easier for us.
Visual merchandising is the most exciting part in the retail experience. It's basically the impact you make on the customer when he enters the store or before he enters the store. It's a fraction of a second that you get to make that impact on your customer. The way the window is done up, the in-store experience for the customer, the way everything is displayed in the store, the entire experience of the brand which the customer finally feels at the point of sale is what visual merchandising is all about. I feel that visual merchandising is every creative person's dream profession to be in, and this is the place to be today.
This business is as good as the maverickness of your people. How high is the coefficient of madness of your people, not just in the design department, not just in the merchandising department, not just in your sales department, but across as organizations go.
This industry is full of action. The response time is 3 to 4 weeks and the deadlines are tough. And at the end of the day, when you create a brand imagery, that's it. Means it's reactive, it's proactive, both ways, but at the end of the day, you create a brand magic. That's the fun part of the complete thing.
I do not know many businesses where a key account salesperson is as happy and as motivated, because he is a 360-degree all-rounder. You know, he has to switch roles very soon, very fast. He has to be a fleet-footed guy who must know marketing, who must know sales, who must know research, who must understand also the point of sale and consumer behavior. It is a very exciting role, and for the people who understand, who have the ability to go through the grind, it is an excellent career opportunity.
As far as people is concerned, what is extremely critical in this function is you have to deliver goods on time, running through 55 processes and through n number of people across the organization. How are you going to ensure that everyone does their things on time? It's to create ownership, create processes, build relationships so that everyone understands their role in the organization and they deliver what they're supposed to.
The challenges in this business makes the finance guys so agile and so alert that the guys who work in this organization for say 3 or 4 years actually go out and head a company or even work as a CFO of some of the big software companies. So that is the kind of talent or nurturing we do in this organization.
Once the talent comes on board, we take great care to ensure that they are properly inducted and properly assimilated to the Arvind environment. We ensure that the best grooming is given to them. We prepare them for the future by giving them the best training programs. We have very scientific processes of needs assessment and designing of training programs and assessment centers and training deliveries, etc.
For the people who join to work with us, it's a great experience to be able to learn from a basic t-shirt to a complex suit under one roof and be able to learn about all product at a time. It really is a great logistics and technical challenge for us to be able to manage such a large spectrum of products, which actually translates into a very good learning experience.
This industry offers fresh minds with energy, with innovative ideas, to be a part of an industry that is really dynamic and fast changing. New recruits start with a training program that is driven by cross-functional stints with live projects aided by a little bit of classroom training. After this training is over, usually the recruits would have a solid understanding of this industry and they would be just ready for the responsibility which would be coming to them after that. Empowerment is not just a concept that is paid lip service to in this company. It is real, and risk-taking and decision-making on the feet is encouraged and rewarded in this company.
And those of you who have gone for whitewater rafting, especially a course 7, it's about those 50 minutes of boredom and 10 minutes on a course 7 of complete madness, orgasmic madness. That's the closest I can come to describing this business all about.
Let me tell you, it's been a roller coaster ride. There is work and there is lots of it. There is no doubt about it. But when workplace becomes fun, I mean, there is a lot of excitement around it, then there is nothing that beats it. And I mean, since all of us are around the same age group, we tend to get together during weekends, I mean, stay late during the evenings and get out. And I mean, we keep having corporate events and all. There was last week where we went play golf. And that's nice. Even our HR team thinks out of the box and gets us things where we can go out and just chill around.
Very young team, very flat organization. If you take a walk around this office in the corridors now, you'll find nervous people, you'll find excited people, you'll find frustrated people. What you won't find is bored people. Howsoever cliche-tic it sounds, it's truly genuinely about our people. We are a strong company not because we have great brands. We are great brands actually because we have great people.